Hello brain sprouts. Robbie here again. Last time, we learned what decimals are. Today, we're going to level up and learn how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide decimals. Sounds tricky? Don't worry, I'll make it super easy. Let's jump in. Lesson 1: Adding decimals. Adding decimals is just like adding whole numbers. The secret is, line up the decimal points. Example 1. 0.4 plus 0.3 equals. Line them up. 0.4 plus 0.3 equals 0.7. So 0.4 plus 0.3 is 0.7. Example 2. 2.35 plus 1.4 equals. Line them up. 2.35 plus 1.40 equals 3.75. So the answer is 3.75. Easy, right? Lesson 2: Subtracting decimals. Subtracting decimals is the same. Line up the decimal points. Example 1. 0.8 minus 0.5 equals 0.3. Example 2. 5.25 minus 2.1 equals. Line up the points. 5.25 minus 2.10 equals 3.15. So subtraction is just like addition. Keep those decimal points straight. Lesson 3: Multiplying decimals. Multiplying decimals is a little different. Step 1. Ignore the decimal point and multiply like normal. Step 2. Count how many decimal places there are, then put the decimal back. Example 1. 0.2 times 0.5 equals. Ignore the decimal. 2 times 5 equals 10. There are 2 decimal places in total, so the answer is 0.10 or just 0.1. Example 2. 1.2 times 3 equals. Ignore the decimal. 12 times 3 equals 36. Put the decimal back and it becomes 3.6. So 1.2 times 3 equals 3.6. Lesson 4: Dividing decimals. Dividing decimals sounds scary, but it's not. Step 1. Move the decimal point in the divisor until it's a whole number. Step 2. Move the decimal in the dividend the same number of spaces. Step 3. Divide like normal. Example 1. 6 divided by 0.2 equals. Move the decimal in 0.2 and it becomes 2. Do the same to 6 and it becomes 60. Now 60 divided by 2 equals 30. So 6 divided by 0.2 equals 30. Example 2. 2.4 divided by 0.6 equals. Move the decimal. 2.4 and it becomes 24. 0.6 and it becomes 6. Now 24 divided by 6 equals 4. So 2.4 divided by 0.6 equals 4. Practice challenge. Your turn, brain sprouts. Try these and put your answers in the comments. 1.25 plus 2.3 equals. 3.6 minus 1.25 equals. 0.4 times 0.2 equals. 4.2 divided by 0.7 equals. I'll be checking your answers. Wow, you're becoming a decimal superstar. Today, we learned how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide decimals. Remember, line up the decimal points for adding and subtracting. Count the decimal places when multiplying. Move the decimal points when dividing. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Brain Sprouts, and share your answers in the comments. Keep growing, Brain Sprouts, and I'll see you in the next lesson.